Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here, and today we will continue creating the application or improving our app, right? As you remember, guys, last time we finished developing a new components, right? And we stopped on, define our skeleton of our pages, guys. And here at the beginning I would like to show you what I've done so far and what's our goal for the next couple of tutorials, what we're planning to achieve from the previous or current status that we finished in the last tutorial. And that's I already kind of implemented, right? And again, we will go in step by step together, and I'm going to re-implement it. So, but I just would like to show you what's our next goal, right? Guys, you can see here what I done compared to the previous time. So I defined this, we call them cards essentially, and each card represent like it's essentially just one component, right? And the beauty of this library, right, of React.js, that everything is containerized, right? You can create all these components, reusable components, and you don't need like to create the same components over and over again, right? You just need to create just one component and you can just reuse it over and over again, right? And that's what's happening here, guys. But anyway, I'm going to show you functionality wise. So guys, you can see if I'm switching between these links, right? For instance, front-end frameworks, you can see here I defined multiple resources, right? So essentially idea is if it's front-end frameworks, right, even React itself, we cannot treat it as a framework. It's more like a library. But at the end of the day, nowadays I guess it's becoming so huge, I think later on we can definitely count it as a framework. So guys, and here you can see we define an actual name, right? We define the cover photo or the cover, and we're defining the hyperlink. So essentially if I click here, I'm going to be redirected to the website, official website of React.js, right? And where you can educate yourself regarding React.js. So guys, and here the same in case of Vue. I'm not sure guys if you ever heard about, it's another really huge front-end framework. It's really popular, guys. I never touched it, but I know that it's quite popular, guys. So, and the same here, right? You will navigate to the website. So, and Angular, of course, guys, hopefully you heard about Angular. It's another front-end framework, right? And this actually, it's a proper framework as in case of Vue, right? So, and yeah, you also can be redirected to the official website, right? So yeah, guys, and idea is again later on, come up with the multiple. For example, if I'm sure like there are more than 3 frameworks right nowadays, like front-end frameworks, but I just defined 3 for now as an example, right? But idea is like you can divide like hundreds of them, and then you can organize a smart search. You can search by name, right? And also you can organize pagination, because if you come up with multiple resources, right, like with hundreds of them, then you have somehow structure, right? You cannot just, I mean, technically you can show all of them on the one page and just scroll down over and over again, but usually that's not how it works, right? Usually in the real world we prefer like come up with a pagination, so-called pagination. You're basically going to define how many sources you're going to show per page. For instance, I don't know, like 20 or 30, and yeah, and then you can click between pages, and we call it pagination. And the same, guys, in case of backend, right? For now I define like Express.js, Django, and Laravel. So yeah, the same idea. And in case of infrastructure, Kubernetes, Terraform, Vault, and AWS. I don't know even if you have you ever heard about these tools. They are super popular, and in my case I'm using all of them on my daily basis, you know, while working in the company. Anyway, it's not the idea of this tutorial to make you familiar with these tools, but just to come up with this implementation. Okay, guys, I think now you know our goal, right, for the next couple of tutorials, and let's guys, I think, you know, I finished this tutorial, and then I will move on straight away to the actual implementation. That's going to be the idea. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and be ready, guys. We will start coding from the next tutorial, and hopefully, guys, now you're excited about this next couple of tutorials, because you can see the goal is quite ambitious, right? It looks not great, but still nice, right? I mean, you already can see like this kind of application can be somehow useful. So, and yeah, that's the beauty of it, of this. When you implemented something really useful, it's becoming more exciting, right, to work with that. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I see you in the next tutorial. And also, guys, if you like this tutorial, please press this like button, and also, guys, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I see you next tutorial. Goodbye, guys.